Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to use our Ninja mixer to make a milkshake. So all you need is milk and ice cream and a blender or your good old faithful Ninja. So I'll put a link in the video description where you can get the Ninja. I recommend it because they're great for making smoothies and everything else, which is what most people use it for. But you also can do milkshakes. And the milkshakes turn out amazing. So check out the link in my video description. I'll put a couple different things in there, like the scooper we're using and so forth. So you just load it up with ice cream first, whatever ice cream you want to use. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put some milk in. Probably about half full for now. You can always add more. Alright, and there we go. We got our milkshake. If you want it to be more liquidy, just add a little extra milk to it. So if you don't want it as thick. Alright, and now we got our milkshake. Good.
Hey guys, I wanted to stop and take a very quick break and ask if you guys could hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. It is very hard to grow these days, and if you could do that, that would mean so much to me. I really do appreciate it.